Happy New Year, my friends, and what better way to start 2024 by tackling something that most of us have a problem with, a winged eyeliner. If you haven't heard about the X method of doing your winged eyeliner, then you're in for a treat. Here's a step-by-step tutorial that'll make you fall in love with it. Now you can perfect your winged eyeliner every single time without the fear of messing up. So if you're ready, let's begin. First thing you'll need is a light colored eyeshadow that you can see on your skin and later erase without making too much mess. I personally like to use a light brown eyeshadow, but you're welcome to use whatever color you desire. I was inspired to do this by another creator who I'm going to tag in the description box below. In this technique, I'm going to mark an X in the outer corner by following along the path of my upper lash line going downward and then my lower lash line going upward. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to take some eyeshadow with a small angled brush and I'm just extending my upper lash line going outward and downward. And then I'm going to start with just under my lower lash line and then I'm going to go in the same direction going upward and outward so it crosses with the first line that we just drew. You can also just extend your lower lash line, but because I have hooded eyes, I took it under my lower lash line. That way I avoid the outer corner fold. Now, all I'm going to do is join that tip to my upper lash line. Do you see that wing? I'm going to go ahead and erase the extra lines and clean up using some concealer. Cleaning up is really quick and it doesn't mess up your makeup. Now that we've taken care of the outer wing, I'm going to use some gel eyeliner with a nail art brush. Today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner, one of the best drugstore liners. I'm going to take it with a nail art brush and trace over that brown eyeshadow in the outer corner, the wing that we just drew. And then I'm going to fill it in. The easiest way to go over your lash line is to use it as a stencil and just stamp over it. Lay your brush flat on your lash line and just keep stamping from the inner to the outer corner. And you can go over it a couple times to make it as thin or as thick as you prefer. That's pretty much it. And there we have a stunning winged eyeliner without much effort. And I do know that many of you struggle with getting it right on both eyes. So I'm going to show you how to do it on the other eye as well. First step, let's take some brown eyeshadow and do that X in the outer corner by extending the upper and lower lash lines. I'm going to join the tip to the lash line, creating a wing in the outer corner. And then I'm going to go ahead and erase those extra lines. Then using Maybelline Gel Liner with the nail art brush, I'm going to trace over the eyeshadow wing. It's time to fill that in. And then I'm going to line my lash line by laying the brush flat over my lash line. That's pretty much it. I'm going to finish up with a coat of mascara, but first I'm going to curl my lashes. This is the Sally Hansen curler. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Cleo Kill Lash Superproof Curling Mascara. And here is the finished look. Would you try this technique? If you do, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed in the description box right below this video, along with all the products that I used today. You can also click on the View Products link embedded within this video on the left bottom corner. I love you all so much and I can't wait to share more fun tutorials with you this new year. So make sure you're subscribed. Have a fantastic year ahead and I will see you soon. Bye.